You are up for a downward journey, my friend. Nifty Pre Open has proven it for a couple of days already, as I have been telling this in my Nifty Pre Open. Follow my supports and the resistances so that you will know when the Nifty's fall is here. This is your host and Dost Ashok here, and please follow Exotic Investment for daily Nifty Pre-Open updates and lots more information. Nifty chart is pretty significant, showing that the Nifty upside is capped. Though the markets show some bounce, it's unable to pierce the trend line, and Fibonacci retracement support is pretty damn evident and is a darling of a support, so to say. Bollinger band is narrowing, meaning that we may be entering into a sideways move until we close above 18,159 levels. We will not be able to fly on the northern territory. SGX Nifty is showing a 74 points lower move, which is pretty negative for Nifty Pre-Open. US markets have cracked down 1% and below in yesterday's session, and with S&P being 46 points down, Nasdaq is 143 points down, and Dow Jones obviously is down by 365. Everything is up and below 1% in yesterday's session of US markets. Nikkei, which is the Japanese index, is down by 328 points, and obviously SGX Nifty also is down by 1% or lower in today's session. Every market is down 1% or more. In such situations, Nifty supports will have a huge impact. Nifty has a darling of support at 18,068 levels. Next support obviously is at 18,000 and 17,816 levels. Resistances are a lot as of now: 18,159 levels and 18,200 and 18,269 levels. The trend line is not letting the markets move higher, and it is holding it back. Bears are gaining market share day by day. Reverse hanging man is ready to give up. However, the Nifty is showing a heads down as of now because of the reverse hanging man, which happened in yesterday's session. All in all, some red shade on the cards in Nifty moves. Check out my Nifty Pre-Open analysis for yesterday here, and I will see you there.